Sixth grade, we're going to try this problem set 12. We should be on number 2. It says West Street Middle School received 18 new computers from the Media Center. There are now 31 computers in the Media Center. How many computers were there before they received them? So I have 18 plus I don't know gives me a total of 31. Missing something in addition, I subtract. Borrow becomes 11, that's a 3, subtract 1. So we got 13 new computers. Number 3 says, William and the Normans conquered England in 1066. The Magna Carta was signed by King John in 1215. How many years were there from these two dates? Earlier and later problem, simple subtraction, two major events in history. That becomes a 15 is 9. Have to borrow 10 becomes a 4. 1 minus nothing, 1. There were 149 years. Number 4. The Colosseum built by the Romans in the 1st century AD could seat 50,000 spectators. The Los Angeles Coliseum built for the 1932 Olympics could seat 105,000 spectators. How many fewer spectators? So I'm comparing, so that's a bigger number, 105, compared to the 50,000 of the Roman Colosseum built 1900 years earlier. So normal subtraction straight down, there's a difference of 55,000 spectators. Absolutely amazing buildings, both of them. Number 7 says 23,000 is how much less than 1 million? So step 1, I need to write my numbers, and I have 23,000. Then I have to compare those through subtraction. Ten minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus nothing is 9. Then it turns around and says use words to write your answer. So that is 900. $77. Don't forget your hyphen. What position is it in? It's in the thousands, so it's 977,000. The rest are zeros, so I'm done. Number 9. It says name the 3 segments in order from shortest to longest. So the shortest one is from P to Q, segment line. Next one goes from Q to R, the longer piece. And then the final one is the whole, where I go all the way from the start to the fin. Sorry, that was P to R. From start to finish, okay? Number 12. The number 100 is divisible by which whole numbers? So what they really asked me to do is, can you list the factors of 100? So 1 and 100. 2 goes with 50. 4 goes with 25. 5 goes with 20. And 10 goes with 10. Hang on a second. Okay, number 14. Number 14, I'm missing the first number in subtraction. If I'm missing the first in subtraction, I need to add. When you're adding, it doesn't matter which one you put on top. I put 3,601 on top. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus nothing is 1. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 6,315. Number 15, I'm now missing the second in subtraction. When I'm missing the second in subtraction, I still subtract. So keep working on remembering those rules. Have to borrow across 6, 3, 8, 2, 2,836. Flipping my answer key over, I'm up to number 20. 20 is a big addition problem. 4, 5, 3, 9, 7, 8 plus 3, 8, 6 8, 6, 4, and I'm adding those together. 8 and 4 is 12, carry the 1. 1, 7, 6 is 14, carry the 1. 1 and 9 is 10, plus 8 is 18, carry the 1. 1, 3, 4, 6 is 10, carry the 1. 1, 5, 6 plus 8, 14, carry the 1, and 8. 1, 2, 3, comma, 840,842. 21 has parentheses, which means do it first. So I have 3/9 plus 5/9 equals 8/9. Then I start over and have 8/9 minus my answer of 8/9. That equals 0/9, which is written as just 0. 22, same numbers, different ones in parentheses. This time says do 8/9 minus 3/9 first. That equals, subtract the top 5/9. Then I'm going to this time add that to 5/9. Add the tops, gives me 10/9. Simplified by divide. 9 goes into 10 one time. I have 1 left over. So that equals 1 and 1/9. 25. Divide and express your answer as a mixed number. So I have 42,847. I'm dividing that guy by 9. 9 goes in there 4 times, which is 36. Subtract is a 6. Bring down an 8. Goes in there 7 times, which is 63. Subtract 5. Bring down a 4. Goes in there 6 times, which is 54. Subtract, get a 0, bring down the 7. 9 goes into 7 0 times. I still have that 7 left over, so it becomes 7/9. So 4,760 and 7/9 because they asked me to express it as a mixed number. 26. They have the numbers. So the first one, they switched the order. So I was at 25 times 36 times 4. Then they switched it to 25 times 4 times 36. Change the order, cumulative property. Next one, they took the 25 times 4 times 36 and they put into parentheses. They grouped it for me. That's the associative property. Then they did the multiplication, hopefully in your head you can see that, and then your multiplication again in your head, hopefully you can see that. So this is how I take this big, huge problem and solve it in my head by doing the commutative and associative property. 27, the next 3 numbers in this sequence, they gave me 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4. I'm going up by fourths, guys, because this one's really 2/4. So add a fourth to that, you have 4/4, which equals 1 whole, 5/4, which equals 1 and 1/4, and 6/4, which equals 1 and 1/2. And last but not least, number 29. Write 1 2/3 as an improper. Multiply and add gives me 5/3. Multiply that fraction by 1/2 gives me 5 on the top, 6 on the bottom, and you have your answer of 5/6. All right, 6, sorry that video messed up. I'll try to get the other ones fixed. Have a blessed day.